Hi everyone, I'm Miss Dawn, a junior project sales consultant of Felonbist Land Incorporated. So before I'm going to discuss about our project, so let me tell you that sorry dahil hindi ako ganoon ka articulate sa aking English, tsaka correct me if I'm wrong dahil sa mga grammar ko. I am trying harder just to explain to you because most of my friends here are foreigners, although they also have a Filipino wives. Then sana maintindihan niyo ako. So pasensya na ha kung medyo mali-mali din ako. So ayan, so I have to say something about our project, the Maldives Oasis here in Davao City. So I don't have a video at my back, but if you are kung magustuhan mo or makuha mo yung explanation ko, then if you are interested enough to learn, to know more about the Maldives Oasis here in Davao City, so PM nyo na lang po ako para maibigay ko sa inyo ang mga gusto nyo pang malaman. So, we're talking about the Maldives Oasis because this is a very beautiful investment here in Davao City. So we all knew na kung gaano kaganda ang Davao. I'm just giving you an idea about the Davao City na napakaganda po sa Davao dahil peaceful at saka mura yung mga gulay, mga prutas at saka yung transportation at you have a peace of mind talaga dahil napakaganda po ng governance dito sa Davao City. So I'm telling you, I am not taga Davao. I lived in Manila, but I enjoyed my stay here in Davao City. So, let's go to our topic, the Maldives Oasis. Ayan, mag-invest kayo dahil napakaganda po ito para sa investment or para sa inyong peace of mind na gusto niyo yung buhay na lalo na retired ka na or plan to have a retirement place. So napakaganda pong mag-invest dito dahil unlike to other condominiums, no, hotels na pagpasok mo, ayan, swimming pool, napakaliit lang. So here in Maldives, ay binigyan talaga siya ng napakalaking space. 65% open space. So parang kinopya kasi niya doon sa Maldives Ocean kung gaano kaganda. Napakalawak talaga sa baba dahil talagang mai-enjoy mo, napakaganda, napaka-relaxing, napakaganda ng community mo at meron tayong complete amenities like fitness gym, basketball court, children's playground, function halls, ayan, audio room. O meron kayong you can invite visitors, your family and friends para mag-gather ng like birthdays, wedding, or whatsoever na for gathering. So, ayan, sobrang mai-enjoy nyo yung community na hindi siya stressful kasi napakaganda ng location, napaka-relaxing. Ayan, feeling mo nasa bakasyon ka lang. So, if you were going upstairs, meron naman tayo doong roof deck at saka sky garden. Talagang mai-enjoy mo sa taas. Ayan, makikita mo sa baba kung gaano kaganda at kung gaano ka-peaceful. Ayan, so napakaganda po talaga ng Maldives Oasis. Walang tapon at talagang mai-enjoy ng kung sino ang gustong pumunta dito. So, ayan, I hope na nabigyan ko kayo ng um, information about our project. Then if you are interested enough to learn more, then you have to message me, and so that makapag tripping tayo, makita nyo din yung location. So napakaganda po ng location natin dahil malapit lang tayo sa city. Sabihin, malapit lang tayo sa lahat ng mga establishment. So, madali lang lahat dahil, dahil we also pay the location. So, ayan, we have 2 units, the studio type and the 2 bedroom unit rather. The studio type has 22 square meter and the two-bedroom has 36 square meter. So, ayan guys, ayan everyone, sana'y meron kayong natutunan sa aking project explanation. So, ayan, PM nyo lang po ako for more details na gusto nyong malaman. So, thank you for watching and see you soon para mag-avail na kayo ng investment dito sa Davao City.